Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ritesh Ashar, Chief Strategy Officer at KIFS Capital. First of all, wish you a happy Dhanteras, happy Diwali and prosperous New Year's to you and your family. Let me share how the Diwali is going to be rocking for this year and the coming few years. I personally feel that compared to last year to this year, the Nifty was around 10,200 and today running at around 10,600, 10,700. There are a lot of factors has affected last Diwali to this Diwali. If you look at the micro level factors, there are a lot of issues in terms of crude oil price. The rupee depreciated, that is also a big concern for our Indian economy. And at the same time, the trade war is the biggest concern for all the Asian and the emerging market. If we look at the micro level, there are a lot of political issues, GST, demonetization, state elections, and coming 6 months we have a biggest event as in union union election also in place. So I feel it will be a roller coaster event for next coming year, and I personally feel whatever have been happened, it is a good for our economy. All the corrective actions and the measures taken by RBI, it is a make sure that our banking system to become very clean, robust, and it is going to be a more effective way in the worldwide. If we look at compared to 2008 and 2018, in 2008 when there was an economic crisis, it was a big damage to our stock market. But if we compare now in 2018, the domestic inflow have sustained our stock market, and it is going to be robust in the coming year. Mutual fund and the domestic fund has supported well to make sure that our market outperformance will be continued for coming years. I personally feel overall, if you look at last Diwali to this Diwali, there are many sectors like who have given a negative return, especially in terms of PSU Bank, in terms of Realty, in terms of NBFC sector also for this matter. But at the same time, IT and Pharma has given fantastic return. On an average 27 to 28% return IT and Pharma has given. So overall, I feel the market looks to be quite positive, and investment point of view, if you look about the consumption story in India, it is going to be continued. If you look at per capita income, last year it was running at around $1,700, and today we have went to $2,100. So consumption is a sector which always be benefited in terms of all the branded calls, all the branded clothes. At the same time, it will creating the lifestyle, and all the auto and auto ancillary will affect it good in terms of return. If we look at the infra story, the infra is going to be continued in terms of development for our country, and we are among the third largest producer of the coal and the cement production. So I personally feel infra segment is also going to be a robust for coming years. So stay invested, be disciplined, keep in touch. Wish you a happy Diwali and prosperous New Year's to you and your family. Thank you very much.